gotta address the elephant in the room.
Yep. I got a haircut.
Aaron's got a haircut. I got a hat on. It's about 2 weeks.
Roles.
2 weeks after the day 4 video, and you guys know this because number one, you're watching this video 2 weeks later. Also, the day 5 video is not out as of yet, but it will be
now because they're watching us right now.
Because they're watching the video
it's
right now.
It's happening at the moment.
Yeah, so elephant in the room.
We had a technical issue.
There was a technical issue.
With the filming.
Yes, the cameraman. Kenny.
Be nice to Kenny.
He did not have the autofocus turned on, and all the footage was blurry.
Yeah, it's okay though. It's okay, because you know what we can do? We can re-record it like we're doing right now.
Right now.
Oh my God.
In the future,
Whoa.
which is in the past. So, which is like...
But it's happening.
It's the present for you, but it's...
Because you're watching it.
Right, yeah, but it's the future past
and
for us.
Scene. All right, perfect. Okay.
Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed, have the bell click for notifications, and leave your favorite Roast Kenny comment in the comments, and thank him for ruining all that footage.
But
it was only like hours of footage.
It was only hours.
Yeah.
But if he didn't do that, we wouldn't have all this fun commentary right now.
It is true, so you're welcome.
Okay.
So Aaron, walk us through that wonderful night, and what did we do?
So the plan for that night, which I'm gonna go through right now with you. Okay, we got the fender on. That was the goal. We were gonna get this fender on that completely finishes the front look of Sarge here. So we got the fender on. I had to cut a bunch of stuff out of it, but the guys got it on. We haven't wired in the light yet, but I will get that done. Also, it was the audio event. So we got head unit in, head unit wired in. We ran all the wiring for the amp. We ran all the wiring for the sub. Subwoofer installed in the sub box. That's all mounted. Wires run. And we did a couple speaker upgrades in the rear. So there's some new 6.5s, I think, back there. Yeah, it sounds way better than it did. Those stock speakers were paper and they were disintegrated pretty much.
Right. Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. It was pretty, it was a long event because it took so long to wire stuff. But
one of my favorite things of the whole night was when we had to pull about 30 feet of this wire, which we're going to show you here in a second.
All the way through.
All the way through. And we had it strung out. Let's just show you.
All right. Now, we will be cleaning up that wiring, guys. Please don't yell at me about the wiring.
So wiring looks good. And I tell you what, one of the coolest features right here, Aaron, talk to us about this sticker that...
Yeah, so it's become a bit of a tradition with every community car build we do that we put a Wingman Garage sticker on the intake. But what you guys don't know is, well, they'll know now.
Right, yeah.
But those stickers are good for 7 horsepower. Dyno proven, 7 horsepower. So yeah, come on down to Wingman and grab one for your car. It'll be faster, I promise.
Make sure you come get 7 extra horsepower with this sticker. All right, so the footage you guys are about to see is going to be super cinematic.
Yeah.
A whole bunch of slow-mo.
We're going to make it work.
A lot of some time lapse.
Because we can't reshoot the whole night. We don't have the whole crew here.
We're not going to take all this off.
Definitely not taking
and re-put it on.
Yeah.
So, but I tell you what, try to enjoy the video.
Yeah.
We're going to do the best we can. By the time this comes out, we're going to have day 5 already done.
I think we will be pretty much done. So it'll be cool.
Again, before we get started, subscribe, have the bell click, leave your favorite Kenny roast in the comments. Enjoy the show.
I'm only going to say nice things.
for the people too young to know what a cassette is, it was a physical media storage that played audio. So you put it in here and it stored about 10 or 12 songs. That little guy right there. You got a Dremel?
We think we can put.
I do.
We're gonna try and put it from behind.
But I don't know if it'll. Yeah, it'll cover some of the. It'll cover up
Yeah,
the mic.
it ain't gonna
and
fit
the
behind.
light. Yeah. Just get that Dremel.
I'm gonna get the Dremel. Let me get the Dremel. I'm gonna get the Dremel. This is what I was gonna do.
Got us some tomatoes.
You know what I'm gonna do, right? We're talking about it's working perfectly. It worked perfectly. I hit that with a little bit of paint. It's done.
You said you had the color plane, right?
Oh my gosh, these guys. I do like it when my customers hold me to standards that I don't hold myself to. So, for the audio stuff, there are so many options for the TJ, all kinds of different boxes, but
It's gonna be like hundreds.
hundreds. But I wanted to go with a 1 8-inch sub because there's already not a lot of like room in the back. So we're gonna do 1 8-inch sub instead of like 2, because there's like if you're gonna leave it in there, there's just not gonna be nearly enough room. It's a Scar 8-inch. It's actually really nice, but I'm gonna flip it around because we're gonna set it up against the back seat. It's gonna fit perfect.
little warm. But
Hats
you know
off
what?
to these guys. Round of applause.
Yeah.
We're jumping in tonight in the heat. We got it pretty much done.
Real fast.
Yeah.
They
Fenders on.
did new
Fenders
fender.
are on. Here, I'll take that. The fenders are on. So the front end is sort of complete. I got to wire in the fogs and the running light here. We did not fully get the whole doubled in, the new stereo installed. Everything's in and wired up and running, but we're just running out of time tonight. It's hot. I want to get everybody out of here. So I'll finish all that up. But if you want to take a look real quick, the stereo is in there. And then I'll show you, we did get the amp in and the sub. Again, gonna clean up some of the wiring at a later date. So that way it's a little bit easier for whoever wins Sarge to listen to tunes.
Yeah.
It was a good day. It's hot. Everybody killed it. It was a good day.
Like
I have
a-
a couple announcements.
Okay, what do we got?
We're doing another build night because we are not finished with Sarge. We got to get the rear lift kit on. It's going to be Wednesday, July 16th, same time.
Wednesday, July 16th.
Hopefully it's not as hot. And then, okay, there'll be, I don't know what day I'm going to do this, but once Sarge is all done and cleaned up, I'm going to do like a showcase event on a Saturday. So anybody can come down. You do not need to have participated in the build to come check out Sarge. You can just come on down. And then the hunt, Sunday, August 17th.
Sunday, August 17th.
You
Wingmangarage.com.
can enter the hunt. It's $25. $25 might put Sarge in your driveway. And it's going to be a hunt kind of like previous years. It's not quite a scavenger hunt. It's not quite a treasure hunt. I don't want to give too much away, but it'll start at 9 a.m. in your email. More on that later. I'll do more on that later.
Make sure you guys head over to wingmangarage.com. Check them out on Instagram, Facebook. Go over to YouTube. Make sure you're subscribed. Have the bell clicked for notification.
Subscribe to this though.
Make sure you're subscribed to
That's
Good Morning
more
Mechanic.
important.
Check out the other videos. If you haven't seen the other videos, we have 4 videos already for Sarge.
Yeah.
Going through the whole transition. So we're going to have a couple more covering everything else. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, have a good morning.
This is why you have all these guys show up that know more than I do about this stuff. That makes it easy. I'd have just installed it with whatever I had in the box, and just like, oh, and then been like, hey, it's good. I do know a little bit though, so don't think that if you come to Wingman you won't get any help. Woo! I just say words. I just say stuff. It's a fuse for the continuum transfunctioner.
Yes.
Name that movie, guys.
For the harmonic balance.
Yeah, Dan. Yeah, what's up? He knows.
I am sweating in places I didn't know I could sweat. It's hot.